everyone. Today, andito kami sa park ni Hoho. Say hi guys. Hi guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa park. Kasi, magwo-walking kami kasi it's been a long time na hindi na kami nag-walking ni Hoho. We need to stay active. Huh?
Notice.
Where?
Notice.
Yeah, that's water. So, yeah. Tinuro niya na may water daw. So, we need to be active. As possible. So, nandito kami ngayon sa may bridge. Look, we are in the bridge. And then there is a water there. The river, the big river.
Look, Mom.
Mm.
Look.
This is the Goulburn Valley River. See? We are in the bridge. Nag-walking kami kasi kailangan namin maging active. Kasi pag sa bahay lang lagi parang nakakawala ng energy. Para kang nagkakasakit pag nasa bahay lang. So, kaya naisipan namin mag-walking ni Ho. We're going to the forest para mag-walking. And there is a key. There is a kids. Hi! Say hi to... Hello! There is a kids over there. Nag-hi din sila. Nag-hi sila kay Hoho. Okay. Why? Come on now. Let's go. We're going there. So, punta na kami sa forest. Mag-walking kami sa forest. Sa bush. Run! See? Ano siya nag-walk? Nag-running siya. Be careful! Excuse me. Someone is sitting there. Excuse. Ayan. As you can see na yung forest ay turn dry na kasi it's summer. What? Let's go. In here, let's go in here in this way. Come on. This way. Where are we going? This way. We're going this way. Natakot siya kasi may tao doon. Natakot daw siya. So, dito kami. Nadaan. Yung hehe. Ayan. Yung forest. What is it? You need to walk.
No.
Why?
No.
Oh, get this one off so that you're not getting hot. Okay? Oh, good. What? What is it? Huh? Where are we going? We're going there. Oh, we're going there today. Let's go there. What? What is it? What do you want? Huh? This one? What? What do you want? I know. There is no like that. Oh, okay, we're going to the car and let's go home. If you are going, let's go home. Come on. No, we're here to walk. Come on. We're here to walk. We're here to exercise. Oh, let's go home. Come on, let's go home. You're not doing exercise. Come on. Come on. There is a monster there. Come on, let's go. Let's go back there. Come on, let's go back. Hala, there is a monster there. Andito kami sa slides. Nag-slide siya. It's so very high. Hindi siya natakot. Oh my gosh. Nag-slide siya. Si Hohok. In here. Ayun oh. Nag-slide siya dito. Hindi siya natakot. As in. Hindi siya natakot. Nag-slide siya. Come back here, Ho. Come back. Ayun na naman siya. Andito kami ngayon sa playground. Ayaw niya na doon sa may forest. Natatakot siya doon. Maglakad. Ayun, mag-i-slides na naman siya. Ayun, hindi siya natatakot. Hindi siya natakot pag-slides. Oh my God. Careful! Good, good. What's wrong? Oh my gosh. Your hands. Be careful, huh? No more? Hindi siya natatakot ang Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh my gosh. Hindi siya natatakot ang taas-taas. You're so brave. High five. You're so brave. You're so strong. Come on. High five, mommy. High five first. High five. Hindi siya natatakot. Ano siya? You want to go to slides? You wanna?
No.
Why? Slides again? Another one? Another one slides? One? Ayaw na niya. Natakot na siya. One more? One more, ho? Hello. Kanina bumili kami ni Hoho ng food. At saka sa KFC ito yung sa kanya. Tapos, raspberry na freeze. Tapos ako naman, ito sa akin. Yung tender box. Kain tayo, guys. We didn't pray your food. They gave us 2 gravy. Ayan, may 2 gravy kami dito. Sit down. Can you sit down, please? This is yours. Ang tabang ng gravy nila. Ayan siya ha. Kain siya ng kain. Nagutom kami kanina kaya bumili kami ng pagkain. What?
Yun. Sita.
Oo, ang ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo. Ayan yung view namin. Oh. Ayan yung view namin. Nagpipiknik kami. Nagpiknik kami. Tapos yun yung view namin. Ang ganda ng view. Mayroon pang nagbo-boat doon.
Mom.
Mm.
It's a big boat.
Ha?
Big boat.
Is it?
It's a big boat. Mom.
Mm.
Dad.
Can you sit down here, please? Here's the sauce. Deep in the sauce. Hurry, eat na. Lagi daw nagugutom yung bata. Sabi niya kanina she's hungry daw.
Changing would slide.
Huh? What is it? Si Holly wa pa mahuman og kaon ako man ako og kaon. Siya. Ngayon kayo ang view, no? Na, Holly, be careful. Go, go, go. Ngayon kaayo ang view, guys. As in, ngayon kaayo ang view. Kanindot, murag makawagtang sa problema. Busog na ko kaayo. Wa pa na ako maubos ang ako kay Hobo. Tika ha, wa pa po diya, hada mo pa. Ang ngayon kaayo ang view. Ang ngayon lang dali magkuan, makawagtang sa problema. Bakit ani tanan ang mga kuan? Tubig. Katima na mo diri magpa-car wash ko sa akong kutsi kay bali ng hugawa. Pero unya pa may manguli kay paminaw ko ngayon kaayo ang view. Unsa naman ni akong buhok pasensya na sa akong buhok mura naman nanungkal. Wala gini na ako sudlaya gabi nadligo ko gabi wala ko sudlaya natuglang ko. Katugo na ko kaayo. Say hi guys. Si Homo. Ha?
Siya.
Shock. Shock. What is his name? What is the name of that one? Huh? There over there? Ken. Ken. Agoy. Ang pangan ko nun niya kay Ken. Pilikan. Kanang siyang kanang taas ug sungo. Kan kuno ang pangan. kan pilikan. Hindi man na siya pilikan pud ambot. He's hungry. Is there's any food here for Ken? Oh, no more food ho. No more for Ken. Chuck this food. No more food for Ken. Ngayon na diri as in.
Mom.
Yun, unsa man ni akong
No.
buhok una.
Mom. Mom. No.
What's that?
No.
What is it? Boat? There's a boat here.
No.
What?
It's gone.
Sugo kaayo.
See it. There.
Where?
Get it.
He's hungry. Sige siya sunod-sunod kay gigutom siya. Ara oh. Gitagaan na mo siya. Gusto wa pa siya mabusog, kulangan. Agwanon man. So we're going home now?
Look, it's in the mouth.
What?
It's very dirty.
Yuck! Ew, we're gonna have to brush our teeth. Let's go. So, pauli na mi. Magkuan pa mi pa-car-wash pa ko sa akong kutsi. Sige. Oh! Are you finished this one? You don't want it? Wait, ho! Hala, wait. Wait. Hala, there is a crocodile there. Be careful. A crocodile. There is a crocodile there. Don't go. Crocodile. Uli na mi. Hanto na mi sa kutsi. Gay na rami diri So, paadto na mi sa kutsi na si Hong. Are you full? Are you full? You full? Huh? Adto na mi sa kutsi. Nami karon sa park. Let's go. Hurry up. Hala, there is a monster there. The monster.
Mom, no.
Huh?
No.
What is it? Hold mommy.
Look.
What is it?
Mom, look.
What is that?
Nothing.
Don't go there. There is a monster there. Monster. Unsa ba na monster? A monster. Okay. So we're going to... Where are we going next? Car wash. Magpa-car wash me guys. Okay na. Kami guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. Haggard na haggard kami. Kararating lang namin dito. So ayan. Haggard na haggard kami. Hindi ako natuloy kanina mag car wash kasi wait, your shoes. Let's take off your shoes. Hindi ako kanina natuloy mag car wash kasi yung coins ko pala hindi buo-buo yung coins ko, hindi yung $1. So magpaano muna ako ng coins kasi mahirap pag tutok buo yung coins mo.
Scratch it.
So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako makapag-car wash. Madumi na yung kutsi ko kasi maraming dust. Tingnan ko kung kailan ako makapag-car wash. Kasi parang naisip ko noon marami akong coins sa car. Yun pala, wala na pala. Iniwan ko. Baka na-misplace ko lang yun. Akala ko meron tapos wala pala. So, isasara ko na yung vlog guys. Kasi hapon na rin naman. Isasara ko ng vlog kasi matutulog kami. Pagod kami sa gala. So, matutulog ako. Pati si Ho, matulog kaming dalawa. So, isasara ko na yung vlog. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, please subscribe. Like and share. And thank you for watching. Bye! And advance Happy New Year pala. Pero hindi pa ako mag-vlog for New Year. Tomorrow, we're going again to shop for our New Year shopping. Hindi ko alam kung anong lulutuin namin bukas. At hindi ko rin alam kung titingnan ko pa. Parang naisip ko na lang na simple na lang o siguro sinigang na lang kasi yung anak ko mahilig sa sabaw. At saka chicken joy. So, yun na lang siguro yung ipe-prepare ko tomorrow. Tapos, yun lang. Wala na. Kasi nung nagluto ako nung Christmas, wala. Meron pa, hanggang ngayon, meron pa sa fridge. So, yung asawa ko, iba din yung ano sa kanya. Iba din yung niluluto niya. Hindi din naman ako kumakain ng, ng Australian food. Kasi parang, iwan ko, para akong nasusuka. Hindi naman sa nasusuka. Yung parang iwan ko lang. Parang wala sa ano ko. Wala sa hindi ko feel, ganun. So, titingnan natin bukas kasi mag-shopping kami bukas. Mag-grocery, mag-grocery for anong ihahanda namin. Sinigang lang siguro at saka chicken joy. Yun lang yung ihahanda ko for New Year kasi may pupuntahan din naman kami sa New Year. I think, pero hindi ko pa sure. I think we're going for New Year concert and manonood din kami ng fireworks. So, let's see. At i-update ko yung mag-video ko. Thank you. Bye! See ya, bye. Hala, what are you doing? Tita, we're gonna get angry. Hala, Tita, we're gonna get angry. This is not for kung ano. Hala ka. Patay ka ni Tita Ding. Tita Ding, we're gonna get angry. So, bye guys! Kasi na bye guys. Ayaw niya mag-bye guys. Okay na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya!
Yeah.